we just go? Can we just go? Think about where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here, and if you are, I'm so glad you clicked on today's video. It's going to be a fun one. It's just going to be a continuation of my move-in vlog, getting everything unpacked, organized, where it needs to be, set up, decorated. I know that there's some stuff that my family's going to still assist me with hanging up, finalizing. For example, this headboard needs some pieces and they're going to be coming back soon to assemble that. And then last night I had decor over on this wall to the right of me. It used to be a little painting right there. It fell last night. It somewhat broke that vase over there, so I had to tidy that up this morning. That was fun. We think we figured out what the issue might be with that, so hopefully when they come back we can resolve that. All in all, there's still a lot to do. As you can tell on the floor, there's still clothing that needs to be unpacked. I'm about to go get breakfast. It's about 10:30. It's a Sunday, so I'm definitely trying to knock out as much as I can today. That way throughout the week when I'm working and I know I'm not gonna have as much energy and I'm just trying to hang out and like chat with friends and stuff, I don't have to be like stressed out and everything can be done by the time I get really into the semester, the year, all that stuff, because we know once that gets started, nothing else home room decor wise ever happens. So today's goal is I have some computer work that I'm going to do for probably about 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to eat my breakfast, get back at this for another like 2 to 3 hours doing this clothing, organizing that, hanging it wherever it needs to go. There's some stuff over here on my desk that needs to be sorted out because I'm going to be using that tomorrow for work, so I need to go ahead and get that all tidied for sure today. And then if time permits, I will be heading to the storage unit to put some stuff that we didn't put over there last night and that I've already unpacked this morning. Either I'll do that today or sometime later on this week. Let's go ahead and eat breakfast. As you can tell, it is bright and sunny in my room, and I hope that this motivates you to either clean, purge, hang up that decor piece you haven't hung in years. Super excited to get this to be a space where I feel happy, productive, just like good in, like I have for the past few years, but really making this space my own for my final senior year here at Clemson. So glad again you clicked on this video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely do that. Let's eat. I have some trash I need to take downstairs. I'm back in the room now. I'm about to go ahead and eat that yummy oatmeal that I just prepared. I definitely need to go ahead and make like a small grocery list, at least for the rest of this week, and then like kind of filling in the things I don't have from before. Like I know I need to get milk, I need to get a few more like breakfasty foods. Chat with you guys in a little bit while I'm doing that computer work. So guys, it's a bit later now. It's 3:07. So my video for the day just went live. It actually just talks about a little bit of my internship advice, what I did in order to obtain and acquire my internship, some things and resources that I used along the way. So if you are, you know, a college student thinking about interning somewhere, or maybe going through the internship application interview process, I suggest that you check out that video because it might have some great things you just never thought about. I want to show you some of the progress that I've made. I've got basically all the clothes hung. So I've gone through both of those luggage pieces over there. I've been putting trash in that Forever 21 bag, so I just closed it off. That black bag on the bed is one of the last pieces I have not unpacked. I have some like hair tools that I haven't used even since freshman year. They've been sitting in that gray trunk, hauled from place to place, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and send them home. So I need to put them in my storage unit later on this week, so I'm just going to put it with the other pile of items that are going to go over there probably tomorrow. This is what the closet's looking like. I have that bag because it's reminding me to do a quick little haul for my internship prep video of some like workwear that I purchased in anticipation for my internship. So having that bag there is going to remind me to make sure I do that haul. And then I have my, of course, laundry basket there. A little shoe caddy thing. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I feel like it'd really be really beneficial somewhere. So for the time being, it's just going to sit on top of the trunk. So I'm just going to go ahead, post this photo, tidy back up the room, go back on the computer, do some more computer work. I think we're going to grab lunch soon too because I haven't eaten yet. Other than that oatmeal that I showed you earlier, I will check back in later. So on deck for today is this pizza that's left over that my family and I had yesterday when we were moving in. I still have 2 more slices. I'll probably have that for dinner tonight, and then I have some leftover salad I'm gonna have for lunch tomorrow and maybe for dinner tomorrow. I'm just trying to clean out the things that we got yesterday, that way I can, when I go stock up at the grocery store tomorrow, have space to put stuff. So I have that and then some leftover lemonade. It's about 4 now. I don't know how much more moving, packing stuff I'm gonna be doing. I think I addressed earlier my little hat wall over there. I think it's really cute. Worked on adding the rest of the hat and I was unpacking. I think I'm just gonna eat this, maybe watch a show or two. All in all, great Sunday. Got a lot accomplished in this room. It's pretty much up to speed where it needs to be. There is some stuff here on the desk that I still need to fix and connect, but other than that, I'm really proud and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and eat.